copy the spreadsheet to another computer through a USB drive, or you can probably email it to yourself, and then try. So from Facebook, DIY Queen 27 asks, Excel keeps crashing when I try to edit my spreadsheet. All right, because Excel in safe mode just stops loading a lot of the stuff in the background, which helps. The other thing is, if it's an online version, try to open it on another computer. So copy the spreadsheet to another computer through a USB drive, or you can probably email it to yourself, and then try to open it on another computer. Is it open? Great. Then find out the differences between the one that opens and the one that doesn't. When we're talking applications, making sure you're running both the same application, like Excel 2016, or it might even be Excel 365 at this point, which stays up to date. It could also be the operating system version if you're setting it from Windows 10 to a Windows 11 or a Mac. That could also be part of it as well. If today cleared up even one headache, a weird pop-up, an AI worry, or a stubborn printer, you're already ahead. Write down the one fix or idea that helped most and try it before the week's out. If you found this useful and informative, please share it with someone who could use a little help making their tech life a little easier.